This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add columns and rows in Google Sheets. Here I have a spreadsheet listing some of the countries in 4 of the 7 world continents. Let's say that I want to add Asia as the 5th continent, and I want to place it between South America and Europe. This will require me to add a column. You have several ways you can insert this column. You can highlight the entire column by selecting the name of one column and right-clicking it, or you can click on the arrow that appears when you put the mouse cursor over the name of the column. I will select the B column for South America. When you right-click or select the arrow that appears, this is what you see. You can also highlight any cell and right-click, which will give you the option of adding a column or row as well. Please note that when you select the entire column, you get more options than you do when you select an individual cell. When you click an individual cell, you only get the option of inserting a column that will automatically appear on the left. However, when you select the entire column, you get the option of placing that new column on either the right or the left. The same is the case for rows. If I select a cell and add a row, it will add the new row on top of the selected cell. But if I select the entire row, I will get the option of choosing whether that new cell will appear on the top or on the bottom. So back to the list of countries. I'm going to add a column in between South America and Europe for Asia. Now that I have my new column, I can add my desired information. I can also add another row and insert more countries there. So this is how you can add columns and rows in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel by clicking that red subscribe button so that you can see when I publish new videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.